Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Huawei Pura X. The first phone comes with this 60:10 aspect ratio. This is a wide phone. It looks a little bit off, weird at first glance, but how is it on earth compared to other normal bar phones or this foldable phones like the Find M5? By the way, it's my favorite one. How is it? In this video, let's find out. Alright, so first unboxing Huawei Pura X. How to say that thing? This is that connection version, more expensive anyway. So you can see the adopt this kind of golden packaging. Seems premium. Of course, you have to pay more. Let's just give a quick unboxing. Yeah, that's for the phone, which we will take a look a little bit later. Paint, and then some paperwork, and even a phone case, I guess, for the front panel and back. All right. So that is how it looks like. C to C cable, and we have this charger with this Type C. I thought it would have this, the Type A and Type C, dual ports, but now you just have the Type C. But okay, that's it. All right, that is the unboxing. And how about the holding experience? Is it comfortable to hold? Well, I would say, I don't know, it's like, oh my god, it's so wide. Because if the normal like a phone, you wouldn't feel a thing because it's long, whatever. But if it's wide, then you will feel something. You will feel like, this is too wide. Maybe I cannot hold it. Especially when you're with a smaller hand. I think I have a middle-sized hand. It still takes some time to get used to it, but once you get used to it, you will find how comfortable it is because you can reach almost like every inch on this phone without without worrying about falling off. Yeah, if you with the even bigger hand, you'll find it even more comfortable, but still you have to take some time to get used to it. And when you fold it, so compact, and you can easily put it to a pocket. Okay. Anyway, let me just walk you through the design and check out everything else. And this is style green color, and they also have other colors which I will show you. So which color do you prefer? Just let me know. And now let me give you a quick walkthrough of the design. So here we have the power key, obviously. That should be also dubbed as a fingerprint scanner. Front camera, and this is the front screen. It's mic, and this is the back. It has 4 camera lenses, but one with that red maple thing. It's not literally a camera lens, but it's for detecting the environment thing, and it gives you a more true to life color or something. Anyway, about that red maple thing, I've already done a video about it compared with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, with the 70 Pro Plus. You can check out if you want. And this should be the volume rocker. All right, the speaker at the bottom, Type C, and SIM card slot. Huawei is touting this is a new form factor phone, but basically it's just a flip phone. If it's a flip phone, you may care about the Crease. Okay, if you view from this angle, I would say you can notice it, but from a normal angle, I think it's also obvious. Find M5 is like so good. Regarding the thickness, the Crease part, so it's a little bit unfair to compare. But yeah, if you are wondering about it, okay, I just compare for you. Okay, and that is the Crease. And how is the folding experience? You see, this stays almost at any angle, and that's one thing I like. So you can just put here, like put on the table. In the launch event, this phone is helpful in watch online content. Its visible area is increased by 40% for short videos. So let's check short videos. You will probably get, much narrower black bezels. I don't know, they also said the internal screen provides 30% more viewing area than a 60:9 aspect ratio phone. Okay, check out all of this. What do you guys think about it? Is that really good as it claims? And also the display area for image and text is increased by 60%. Let's just compare with some other phones on some social apps. I don't know. It's like a increased 60%. Just check it out. Just check it out. It's much comfortable to view content on the Find M5, right? Of course, definitely a normal photo phone like Find M5, it comes with, it shows much more content, right? And wow, big screen and looks awesome with the, okay, anyway. And if you want to compare it with an old screen, and you may wonder, oh, how is it? All right, and here we go. And this, things start getting a little bit weirder on the Pura X because it only shows really small, tiny of the content. Okay, but for the Find M5, it's just like a normal bar phone, right? I guess for Pura X, no one use it. No one use it like in this way, right? And rather than just take one more unfold step, and view content. All right. And this is the app comparison. And because this is not the international version, so I cannot test it for you like on Instagram or YouTube. If you want to know more about that, maybe I'll find the international version a little bit later. So definitely subscribe, okay? Subscribe, and that's the app. All right, so this is the camera interface. I just took some videos with it. So 4K 60. Wow, that's a little bit strange. I don't know. It has two black borders. Like you can always see this two black borders. And some of you may care about, how about when you close the screen and use the front camera, okay? Let's check. So you swipe this to video, and let's check. So it's basically use the rear camera as your front camera. So you should be able to take 4K videos. The front camera also supports 4K 60. But the thing is, I can see like the black borders. Two black borders, gigantic, for the front camera and for the rear camera. So that's kind of crazy, And that's the footage. What do you think? This is Huawei's first phone that comes with the HarmonyOS. They just totally get rid of the Android. And let's check out some of the specs and systems. One thing you may want to know: how is it? Is it smooth? Let me just. Wow, super smooth. Like you can see the animation for each app. It opens instantly. Wow, it's super smooth, man. And it also supports 120 Hz refresh rate, and that is really great. And speaking of some bugs, there are really some. As you can see, some apps like this app you have to unfold it to use it. And for some apps you cannot use it. You can click in, but you cannot use it, and you cannot swipe up to agree these terms or conditions. So you still have to unfold it. So I guess those are bugs, and Huawei can easily fix it.